What's going on, Chemical Guys family, and welcome back to the Detail Garage. 2024 has been a busy year for us, so we're going to go over some of the products we've dropped and released this year, so don't miss out. In no particular order, we'll start over here with our brand new Foam Blaster 6 Pro, which helps to lay down thick suds without the need for a pressure washer. This has been redesigned with a new big blow bezel, as well as a clear bottle, which helps to show you the perfect dilution, as well as a larger size mouth, which gives you more foaming. And also, we have the option of foaming vertically or horizontally to give you the perfect foam experience on any kind of vehicle. Next up, we have the Thirst Trap, which is a very unique drying towel. It's a microfiber that's embedded with a chamois, which means you're getting the best of both worlds. Microfiber to help safely remove any kind of water drops for a scratch-free dry, with the chamois, which helps to absorb that, which means you're going to be able to dry more without using multiple towels. Moving on, we have Hydro Blitz, which is our newest addition to the Hydro line. Hydro Blitz not only gives you durable protection, but at the same time instantly adds shine. So this is a great way to maintain your show vehicle, your daily driver, or any kind of vehicle to help repel harsh elements, while also giving that beautiful overall gloss. One of my favorite additions to our lineup is the Snubby. This is going to attach to any type of pressure washer and is going to give you a compact, more maneuverable experience when you're detailing. This is a great way to rinse the vehicle, as well as rinse away any kind of soap and foam, or it attaches to your foam cannon to give you more precision and control when you're detailing your vehicle. And it features a swivel, which helps to make it easier without any kind of binding or tangles with your pressure washer hose. Next, we have Too Faced Wheel Cleaner. This is going to help safely remove embedded grime like brake dust, road debris, and any kind of other fallout that sticks to your wheels. Spray directly on the surface, give it a moment to dwell, and then you're going to see that color changing two-phase action, which turns purple. This is how you know that it's done its job, it's activating, and it can be rinsed away or scrubbed away for that perfectly detailed wheel. One of our newest soaps is Mr. Pink Foam Party, which features wax. That means you get that same foaming action that you love from Mr. Pink, but with now the added addition of wax, which gives your vehicle shine and protection. Use it with your foam cannon, your foam blaster, or in your traditional wash bucket for the best overall experience. Not only is that foam going to give you beautiful shine, but at the same time, it lubricates the surface for a scratch-free wash. If you're looking to instantly give your vehicle durable ceramic protection, the Hydro Slick Kit is the way to go. Featuring an 8-ounce bottle of Hydro Slick, an applicator, as well as a towel, this is all that you need to give your vehicle that beautiful shine, as well as a crystal-like ceramic durable layer of protection. After you've washed your vehicle and prepped the surface, this is all you need to give your vehicle that durable layer of protection. It applies very easy. We have plenty of videos showing you how to do all the steps, but basically apply it to your pad, apply in linear motions, give it a moment to dwell, then buff it off, and it'll provide up to 12 months of protection. Now, a lot of guys ask, how often do you have to apply a ceramic coating? As I mentioned before, this lasts up to 12 months, but you wouldn't want to wait till it's gone its full lifespan, so it's perfectly fine to apply anywhere from 6 to 10 months after your initial application. This year, we also dropped 2 new tire dressings, Shine Logic, available in an aerosol as well as a 20-ounce water-based formula. This is very easy to apply to your tires. Just simply prep them by cleaning them, allow them to dry, then apply a very fine coat of Shine Logic. And again, this is going to restore a very deep, lustrous OEM finish while also being dry to the touch, so it won't sling or collect dust. And last but definitely not least, our newest drying towel, the Megalodon. Featuring a very large size, which helps dry any size vehicle, but also what makes the towel so great is the new twisted loop design. This helps to encapsulate all kinds of water drops for a streak-free dry, saving you time and effort, but with its large pile as well as its higher GSM, it means it's going to save you time while collecting all that water for a scratch-free dry. So guys, that's just some of the products we've released this year, but we have plenty more on the way, but you've probably already seen products we've released earlier. Let us know what your favorites are down below. And if you want to see any of these products or check them out for yourself, head over to our website, chemicalguys.com, or to your local detail garage. Thanks so much for being part of the Chemical Guys family and our 2024. We'll see you next time.